rises through the sea. Nothing out here to bother me. With the sails set, that silhouette slips silently on to adventures not yet met. Evening falls, the sky bleeds, the colors flow, they blanket the seas. And a sweeter night I never did see. Remember what made all this, made you and me. Wind in the water like music to my ears, fill me with hope and drown my fears. I said, Juliet, Juliet, did you meet your Romeo just yet? I said, Juliet, Juliet, did you meet your Romeo just yet? Well, she could change some of this water into wine. Me and Juliet gonna be just fine. And she'll drag me back to sea again. Can't say no, I just say when. Life on shore may be good for some, but give me waves and wind and rum. I don't want to hear about the war today. I don't want to see I got bills to pay. I don't want to watch no TV screen. I don't want to read no magazine. Don't want to drive my car around just searching for what can't be found. And I said, Juliet, Juliet, did you meet your Romeo just yet? I said, Juliet, Juliet, did you meet your Romeo just yet? Well, if she could change some of this water into wine, me and Juliet gonna be just fine. Sailing across the nighttime starry sea, closest place to heaven I'll ever be. Youth and age dissipate, we lost all sense of time and date. Past and future are all gone. This night will last forever. Just keep on sailing on. Just keep on sailing on. And I said, Juliet, Juliet, did you meet your Romeo just yet? I said, Juliet, Juliet, did you meet your Romeo just yet? I said, Juliet, Juliet, did you meet your Romeo just yet? Well, if she could change some of this water into wine, we're gonna be just fine. Well, if she could change some of this water into wine, we're gonna be just fine.
There's no time and no space. There's a permanent smile on your face. Your friends all complain that you're going insane, but the truth is they're just afraid. And hey, hey, somewhere you threw your fear in the sea of no cares. Hey, hey, somewhere you threw your fear in the sea of no cares. Oh, but when you decide that what counts is inside, your friends all say it's a lie. But there's no brighter light than the look in her eyes when you're walking her home through the night. And hey, hey, somewhere you threw your fear in the sea of no cares. Hey, 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 somewhere you threw your fear in the sea of no cares. Let yourself go. getting cynically stoned. Your friends are drinking alone. But it's funny, cause they don't even cross your mind when she asks you into her home. And hey, somewhere you threw your fear in the sea of no cares. Hey, somewhere you threw your fear in the sea of no cares. Hey, somewhere you threw your fear in the sea of no cares. Hey, somewhere you threw your fear in the sea of no cares. You threw your fear in the sea. You threw your fear in the sea.
All this beauty, you might have to close your eyes and slowly open wide. All this beauty, we traveled all night, we drank the ocean dry and watched the sunrise. You can ask her about it, but nobody knows the way. No breadcrumb trail to follow through your days. It takes an axe sometimes, a feather in the sunshine and bad weather. It's a matter of getting deeper in any way you can. All this beauty, you might have to close your eyes and slowly open wide. All this beauty, we traveled all night, we drank the ocean dry and watched the sunrise. I can see you're new awake, and let me assure you, friend, every day is ice cream and chocolate cake. And what you make of it, let me say, you get what you take from it, so be amazed and never stop, never stop, never stop.